All right, I just wanted to make a quick video on my experience with Covers and All. As you can see, I have 4 pieces here, 2 chairs and 2 couches, and I placed an order with Covers and All for 2 chair pieces, 32 inches wide, coffee brown, and 2 couch pieces, 57 inches wide, in gray. Now what I received were 4 coffee brown chair covers. Of course, they will not fit the couch, and they are the wrong color. So it's a definite issue with their order. So I've emailed them several times. Basically, I was requested to send pictures, tape measures. I've done all that, and I keep getting responses back from a Gary Gonzal in quality that they can't help me because unless there's an issue with sizing. Well, of course there's an issue with sizing. They are the wrong size and the wrong color. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, it means they refused to correct their error, and I would just like to put it out there for all to see, because I know there's plenty of companies out on the internet that supply custom covers. And this company, these were actually shipped from India, so it'll be very hard for any recourse if their customer service is truly this bad.